Hi everyone, my name is Agatha. Today I'd like to introduce KilaUni app, a trendy app that will help you to track and monitor your electricity, water, and heating consumption and learn how to adjust it. I'll be walking you through the app as well as providing you with some tips and tricks to ensure your success using this app. Without further ado, let's get started. When open the app for the first time, you would need to register. There are two options that you can use, which is using your email address or your phone number. If you want to use your phone number, just type your phone number and your password and then hit the register button. To help you set up your profile, you would need to provide some basic details about yourself as well as your energy bills. As we can see here, you would need to input your city, postal code, and number of people living in your house. After that, you would need to select which ones do you want to track, either electricity, water, and or heating. After clicking next, you would need to type your customer number, and you can find your customer number on your contract with Ackelmans. For your information, this is the same number that you input whenever you pay your monthly rent. Typing your customer number is very important in order for the app to provide you with a precise estimation as well as giving you your history consumption data. After that, do not forget to input your last bill and then click the next button. You would need to do exactly the same for water and heating. Input your customer number from your contract and also your last bill. After setting up your profile, you will be brought to the home screen. Here is where you can find the overview about your performance, including monthly and yearly, weather and air quality in your current location, and most important, your individual consumption for electricity, heating, and or water. If you go to my performance screen, you can check both of your monthly as well as your yearly total bills. You can adjust your monthly prepayment here and check your tracking progress, whether you're doing it well or you can do it better. Most important here, you can see the difference between the estimated bills comparing with your monthly prepayment. You can clearly see whether your estimated bills are whether under or above your monthly prepayment. This will give you an insight whether you would need to adjust your consumption or not. If you click the yearly tab bar on top, you can see your estimated total bill for this year. You can see the overview whether you would need to pay extra or possibly receive some money back in the end of your contract with Ackelmans. Another most important feature is where you can see your detailed consumption. Just go to My Consumption and click one of your tracking engines. Let's take a look on my cold water consumption. On this screen, you can check your estimated bills for this month and this year specifically for cold water. You will see also an alert if your consumption, for example, is above or under comparing with your last month consumption. You can see the pro tips giving you tips to save your water consumption. And the coolest feature is where you can see how your consumption is being compared with your neighbor's average consumption who have the same profile like you. Underneath, you can see your meter reading history. And another tips for you, to provide you with the precise estimation, you would need to update your meter reading as often as possible, or at least once per 5 days. And how to do that is very simple. Just click the Add Meter Reading, have your meter readings ready, and then type it and hit the Save button. To update your profile, just go to Profile on the bottom navigation bar. You can update your basic information as well as your electricity, heating, and or water contract. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. You can do that by clicking notifications on the profile screens, as well as please make sure you also turn on notification on your phone settings. You will be notified every week to update your meter readings, as well as receive an alert whenever your consumption is higher than your average. And last but not least, if you want to introduce Kila to your neighbors, just click Tell a Friend here, and you can tell how Kila Uni helps you track your electricity, heating, and water consumption. Alright, you can now imagine how Kila Uni will be your benefits on tracking your electricity, water, and heating bills, right? No more guessing game for you anymore. You can track how you will pay in the end of your contract. So, download Kila Uni app on the Apple Store and Google Play Store. And thanks for watching.